Hey babes, welcome back to Love Milani. It's your girl Anastasia Milani, and we are back with another video. Yes, y'all. Technically, it is a Vlogmas. I wanted to make this a collaboration with Vlogmas, but also doing my unboxing review. So we are doing the Telfar unboxing review, you guys. I'm so excited to be doing this because honestly, it's like a full circle moment. This time last year, I was doing my first YouTube video and it was a Telfar bag review, and it's my first Telfar bag, and I did a review on it, and it just was my first video I put on here. So now a year later, 500 subscribers later, I am doing another Telfar bag review around the same time. It's just, I don't know, it's just a full circle moment, and I'm so happy to be doing it, you guys. I'm so thankful for each and every supporter I have. Anyone who ever liked my videos, shared, commented. Are new here, hi, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe below and join the Milani family. We are lit. We have a good old time. Okay, so I ordered 2 bags, you guys. 2. This little curly Amazon bob thing, y'all, don't mind it. It's gonna be shaking and doing this thing the whole time. Don't even, ooh, see, now I done talked about it. All right, so I ordered 2 bags. They come in just these big boxes, big but not like bulky. They're just, you know, enough to fit the purse size. I got 2 different colors but the same size bags. I got 2 medium shopper bags. So if you know about Telfar, they have 3 different sizes. They have the small, which is like a small tote bag, and then they have, or a small shopper bag. They call these bags shopping bags or shopper bags. So they have the small one, and then they have like a medium one, which reminds me of just like a normal everyday, if you work in the office or something, like you would carry your laptop and stuff in there type bag. Then they have a large one, which is like, it's like this. It's a big baby. To me, that's more like an overnight type of bag, if you're, you know, or if you pack light, like a weekender bag, something like that. For me, that probably be just a bag for my pajamas, the way I pack, or like my toiletries and stuff like that. So I still don't have a large bag yet. They just dropped a denim bag, y'all, but it's sold out, and I really wanted a large one in that one, but I'm like, I just ordered 2 Telfar bags. Like I can't, I don't need to be doing that. So I still want a large bag, but I'm going to show you the 2 I got today. Mr. Telfar is from New York, if I'm not speaking out of turn, but here it is. It comes in the plastic, so a nice like waterproof type situation plastic. And then you just, let me scooch it back a little bit, y'all. Take her out, boom. And they have a nice thick dust bag, which if y'all know me by now, I love a good dust bag. So she has a nice thick dust bag, and it has a Telfar symbol. And oh, that was, I was like, wait, I seen some writing. So on the plastic bag, it has Telfar established 2005 NYC. So yeah, New York. So like that. So I love that. I love a good branding. Like I've said before many times, I love when you brand stuff. I don't care if it's the plastic bag, the tag, brand it, baby. Please. So that's that. And ooh, the duster, I definitely will be keeping my purse in it. It's just easier to store purses, especially if you don't have a lot of space like me. These dusters come in handy. If I had more space and I was able to like to display my purse, I would just use a duster for something else, or use it when I'm traveling with my purse and want to, you know, put it in my suitcase or something. So yeah, here is the duster. And it's crazy because when I did my previous review, I was like going so in depth about Telfar and like explaining it. And now I just feel like Telfar is that girl. I mean, it's been that girl, but now it's just that girl. Beyonce has stamped it over and over. It's different. It's just different. It's like what a year. It's crazy like what a year can do. Again, not taking anything away from Telfar. They've been that girl. They've been selling out before a Beyonce approval. But I'm just saying, you understand what I'm saying. Like a Beyonce stamp of approval and her shouting it out and having it in her song, and them doing costume designs for her on her tour and her wearing, like, it's gonna hit different. It's gonna hit different. So shout out to Telfar, shout out to the Black businesses. I love to see it, y'all. Like I was saying, this is a duster bag. We're gonna unleash the girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at her. She feels so thick. That's that thick. She feels so thick. And this is obviously the black. And look how like this just stands out. Especially like black. I was kind of worried that it might not, you know, stand out as much. But no. It's boom. You see her. You see her. Okay, so again, branding, baby. Branding, baby. Oh, and it's, I don't know if they always had this. I don't remember my last one being like a Velcro, but it's Velcro. So you can keep that and keep your, you know, strap together. And it's like, you know, branded. Oh my gosh, it's like a luxury experience. It's such a luxury experience. And then it has a tag. And again, it has its information. And with all their shopping bags, they come with the 2 long straps. So if you want to carry it like on your arm, you could do that. It comes with the shorter handles. So if you want to, you know, push these in or keep them out, you can do so. Mine, I would have to like tame it because it was so, you know, it was in a box and it was wrapped up for so long. They're kind of just doing their own thing. But yes, oh my god, I love this. I could cry. I could cry. Okay, so anyways, let me open her up. So on the inside, it has like silver hardware. So I don't know if I can even, let me go this way. So it has silver hardware on the inside. It has a, yo, wait a minute. So on the inside, it has silver hardware. It has like a little Telfar little label here, but it's a pocket, like a little pocket here. So you can actually like store something in here. So if you had something like important that you want to put in here, a little contraband maybe, you could put it right here. Then it has its, oh child. Then it has the zipper and a deep, deep, deep pocket. Right here, this pocket is deep. You can put a lot of stuff in here. And I love that they have a zipper. So important things you can keep here. Since this doesn't have a zipper up top, you know, just so you can have a little protection and privacy, they have a pocket for you with a zipper. Then the rest of the bag is just free space. So you can, if you wanted to, you can get an organizer to put in here, a divider, so you can kind of have a little more organization. If I was to show y'all my Telfar right now, my other medium one that I wear like on the daily, baby, everything is everywhere. So a divider probably would be good if you are a person who keeps a lot of stuff. If you don't keep a lot of stuff, then, you know, you're fine. But a divider would be good for a bag like this. And y'all, it is just so stinking cute. It is so cute. The black is just everything. I want something to like, I wish they had like little bag charms or like just something that you can like hang on it just to give it a little, you know, bedazzle. But the black is so cute. And I got this black because I was going to get, they had all colors available at one point in November. And I was going to get like a color, like a bright color. And I was just thinking like, you know, I couldn't make my mind up of what color I wanted. I just didn't know. And I'm like, I don't have any black bags like this size, like a tote bag that's just black. I don't have one. So I just felt like this would be such a good everyday bag. And I'm just excited to have it, y'all. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. It's fire. So yeah, black on black, baby. Black on black, baby. Okay, and this bag is $202 for the medium bag. The small bag is $150, and then if you want the larger one, it's $257. So not bad at all to have some luxury. Not bad. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'll be getting another one because at this point, I just want to collect them. I've seen so many people have like you know, a collection of Telfar bags, and that's what I want. I just want black luxury just plastered all over. So Definitely a cop. Love it. They came, y'all, the shipping was fairly quick. My black one took a little bit longer. It took maybe a little over a week. This other one came in less than a week. So I was shook by that, especially with the amount of of orders they have. They did that. All right, same thing. And actually this is pretty good, like having both of them at the same time. I can see like about the quality. Is everything still hitting the same? So plastic bag, still the same. Okay. Okay. The duster feels the same. I'm being dramatic, y'all. But duster is still good. Now here goes this one. Oh, not getting stuck. What is this? I'm gonna assume this is something to keep fresh or something. I don't know. The other bag didn't have it, so I don't know. So here is this, y'all. This is the next bag I got. This is in the color cream. It's in the color cream. It is so pretty. Telfar here is just done so well, and it's like bold, and I just love it. It looks so good. It also has the Velcro. Oh, Velcro here. Boom. Oh, y'all. This is me fighting the straps. It has the same thing, the two long straps, the short straps. The inside has the pocket, the same thing, same makeup. They're the same size, just two different colors. Same thing with the pocket, the smaller pocket right here. And yes, you guys, I absolutely love her. She is so pretty, so classy and chic. Just a timeless cream bag. The black in this is just, they're two timeless pieces to add to your wardrobe. I just think they're so good. So good. So classy. So classy. But yes, that Telfar bag experience. What Beyonce say? I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. I'm in my bag. So I just want to show you both the bags that I had ordered. And yeah, one of them I am gifting. Can y'all guess which one? So cute, so good. We love them. I appreciate you, Telfar. They did a special like promotion where they had, it was called Gifted, and pretty much you can get one Telfar for free if you did like a video and just express to them who you will be gifting and why, you know, you would like to give them a Telfar or gift them a Telfar. I think that was so, like, I have such a respect for Telfar previously, but that just made me have like a newfound respect for him, because I've never seen a company do that before, especially a company that did not need to do that. They don't need that type of promo. Their bags sell out. Beyonce was just wearing your clothes on tour. Like, you don't need to do stuff like that. And for you to do it, it's just like, I don't know. Y'all really just look out for the people. I really are for everybody. And I just appreciate you guys so much. So Telfar, thank you. Oh, and guess what, y'all? I did my video. Mr. Telfar himself sent me my own personal special message. I will put it on here, but I was looking pretty tore up when I did my video. So I'm gonna leave it. But y'all, thank you, Mr. Telfar. But thank you, Mr. Telfar. I will definitely be gifting the bag. Can y'all guess which bag I'm gifting? Put it below. What do y'all think? Keep in mind, I have a gold Telfar bag already, a gold medium shopping bag. So which one do y'all think I'm gonna gift? Yeah. And what's crazy about the whole gifting thing, I was already gonna gift them a Telfar bag. That was one of my Christmas gifts to them anyway. So that was crazy when I seen they were doing this gifted thing, and I was just like, Like, who am I to pass up on that? Who am I? Who am I? So I really appreciate it, and I really am happy, you guys. I'm stoked. Should I crack open my Telfar? Should I wear it tomorrow? Like, is it too soon? Like, I just took it out the box. Like, should I put it on tomorrow? I don't know. But I love them. They're great quality. They last. They're durable. My other Telfar, I didn't ran that one through the mud on accident because I really didn't mean to wear it every day, and it just so happened. So it lasts. The quality, nothing is coming apart. There's no threads coming apart. It's still solid. It looks good. It looks a little like she didn't been through like she didn't been out in the streets, but other than that, she looks really, really good. Like, the quality of it has held up. So definitely, if you have not checked out Telfar, go do so. They still have some shopping bags on their site available. They have the purple color ones in collaboration with the Color Purple movie and Oprah. They also have their circular bags, which are fire. They have their Telfar wallets. They have a couple other collaborations, like with Uggs. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my quick unboxing and review. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe below, like, comment, and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.